Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to SL Prime. Look at this keyboard. It is a mechanical retro keyboard. And it's RGB, as you can see. You can change the colors by using a couple switches. This is the off setting. Wait, no, it's not. There's a couple keystroke animations. This one is just a rainbow one. It's a little bit bright, so you can't really see the animations that well. And the model, AK510 retro mechanical keyboard. And it does come with a warranty, but it's in Chinese, so good luck getting a replacement. But you do get these really nice keys, or I don't know what they're called. Risers, not too sure, but they are really solid. It really feels like a premium keyboard. So yeah, it's worth the money. First, let me just give you a good look of the keyboard. As you can see, the construction is very good. It's actually a very heavy keyboard. I don't understand why it's so heavy though. Did they like add some weights in there or something? Not sure, but let me turn off the lights so you can see the effects a little bit better. Alright, now we can properly see the colors in the dark. As you can see, there's lights on the sides and the top. It's a pretty nice keyboard. Get what your money's worth. Okay, let's switch the cycle. Red color, green color, blah 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 blah, and then they have the rainbow right here. And let's go ahead and switch the style. As you can see, it glows RGB, kind of two sections, and then there's a response one, and then there's just a random glow one, so it just glows. Alright, and then there's just a static rainbow. And then you can change the colors, but unfortunately they do not have white, which is kind of annoying, but red would suffice for me. And then they have this mode, just bounces around. And then there's a clean RGB wave. And for the sides, I believe there's just a fade mode. So this is changing the colors. They do have white on the sides though. Right here. Yeah, all it does is just turn off and on. I don't believe it has any other transitions. For current prices, make sure you guys visit the link in the description. And would I recommend this keyboard? Yes. The switches are also interchangeable, and right now they are the brown switches, but you do get different options. Not only that, but in the box you get a red colored spacebar and red colored WASD keys. And to match this monitor is why I bought it. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.